I'm David Ienna from Fairmax Law. If you're facing foreclosure, it can be an incredibly stressful and frightening experience. Today, I want to talk about how filing for bankruptcy can help stop foreclosure and potentially save your home. Foreclosure is a legal process where your lender attempts to recover the balance of a loan from you by forcing the sale of your property. It's a last resort for many homeowners, but bankruptcy can offer a lifeline. When you file for bankruptcy, an automatic stay goes into effect immediately. This stay temporarily halts all collection activities, including foreclosure proceedings. This gives you breathing room to figure out your next steps. Chapter 13. Bankruptcy is particularly effective for stopping foreclosure. It allows you to create a repayment plan to catch up on missed mortgage payments over 3 to 5 years while keeping your home. Under Chapter 13, you make regular payments to a bankruptcy trustee who then distributes the funds to your creditors, including your mortgage lender. This structured repayment plan can make it more manageable to get back on track. Chapter 7. Bankruptcy can also provide relief by delaying foreclosure, giving you more time to explore other options like loan modification or short sale. While Chapter 7 doesn't include a repayment plan, it can discharge other debts, freeing up resources to address your mortgage. At Fairmax Law, we're committed to helping you find the best solution for your unique situation. If you're facing foreclosure, don't wait until it's too late. Bankruptcy might be the key to saving your home and giving you a fresh start. Contact Fairmax Law today for a free consultation. We'll help you understand your options and develop a strategy to protect your home and your future.